Hey there guys, so in this video I'm actually gonna show you guys a tutorial on how to look for replays in Pokemon Showdown. So first off, you're gonna need to uh, rotate the screen to landscape mode, because Pokemon Showdown in phone is in their beta phase. So if you're gonna open up replays, you're gonna want to turn it sideways into landscape mode. Then after you change it to the landscape mode, you're gonna need to log on to your account. Then after you log on to your account, you're gonna wanna press your name, then just press your name again. Then you're gonna be showed up with your account, the data inside your account. Then you're gonna wanna press the replays. Then after you press on the replays, there's gonna be a lot of featured replays. But if you want to look for your own replay or somebody else's replay, you can just write on their names. In this video I'm just gonna show you me looking for my own account. You can just look for any account. Then after you press on that, you can just, the replays is gonna show up. Then after the replays show up, you can just press on any replays you want, like this. I just press like that. Then after that, you can just play it. You're gonna need a few time for the the textures to load in, yeah, like that. Then if you want to open up the video or send it to any of your friends, you can just copy the link here and just give it to them. Then you can also pause video, pause the replay, continue to replay, and then you can also see the chat on the right side. Then you can also switch sides to your side, and then basically that's all. So oh yeah, and there's also speed. If you want the replay to be very fast or just really slow, you can also go back to the next turn or the last turn. Yeah, so basically that's all the basics that you need to know about replays in Pokemon Showdown. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy these types of content, consider subscribing and also leave a like in this video, and I will make more videos like this. Goodbye.